one. So guys, actually,
Yes!
na-open ko na to dahil nauna ko pang upload sa short. So after I realized, mahaba pala siya pag mag-unboxing ako kasi marami akong ino-order. So guys, mag-unboxing tayo sa Shein. Actually, na-open ko na to pero hindi pa ang lahat, no. So fast forward tayo. After 5 months, ngayon pa ako naka-order ulit ng Shein, guys. Gawa ng, ayaw ko na talaga sana mag-order. Kaso wala akong choice. Gawa ng, yung Christmas decor ko, guys, hindi talaga siya natapos. Gawa ng sa Starway namin, naglagay ako. Tapos dito, wala pang nagbibinta ng Christmas decor. After pa daw sila magbinta sa mga mall, after Halloween pa. So imagine how many days na lang. Tapos Pasko na, tapos New Year, tapos tatanggalin mo na naman yun, di ba? So wala akong choice, kaya nag-order ako ulit sa Shein. Ayaw ko na sanang mag-order doon kasi nakaka-addict talaga, guys, pa na-order. So ito, guys, pang Christmas Day ko. Kasi ngayon, guys, alam nyo ba, hindi na naman yung na-order ko lahat sa ano, sa pang Christmas. Of course, nag-order din ako ng aking mga damit kay Cutie Pie as usual. So, di ba? O, ganun lang ka-addict. So, ito, guys, ilagay ko dito sa aming base. So, bakit ang sa ano, ang laki tingnan? Bakit dito ang liliit? Diyos ko po, Cutie Pie. So, mamaya ipakita ko to sa inyo, guys, kung saan ko to ilalagay. Tapos, ito pa. Actually, guys, storytelling tayo. Matagal na akong ano sa Shein, no? So, this is my first time nga nanghingi sila ng code when they deliver. Before, ilagay lang nga nila yan dyan sa likod or sa, ano namin, sa labas. Paano na lang kung wala ako dito? So, hindi nila i-deliver. Kasi need nila yung code doon sa Shein na apps. Yes. So, ito, guys, ilagay ko dito sa ano namin. Sa door. I'm so excited na talaga, guys. Yes. Kasi after 4 years, guys, dito kami mag-celebrate kitipay sa bahay. Wala kaming travel. Yeah. Dito lang kami sa bahay. Last Christmas, hindi din kami naglagay dito ng Christmas decor. Gawa ng kamamatay lang ng mama ni Cutie Pie. Yes. So, bawal kaming maglagay ng ganun. Cutie Pie! Look at Bibi. So, look at there, guys. Can you help me this one? Why I forgot if I ordered this. Hala, nak, we need to put this one inside the outside the house. You have also work. See? See? I don't know where I need to put this one.
Stickers.
No, stickers. Do we need to put Merry Christmas?
Those.
Or is this outside?
Those are
So actually, guys, this is also my all cover for our sofa. Yeah, I ordered 4 pieces for this design. It's nice, the quality, Bibi. Actually, guys, the Shein is very affordable. And then, the quality also is good. But not all. For the boys' dress, I don't like. See, look at my... This is my favorite. Yes! You know, right? I have black that one. See, this is for... I don't know where's for Cutie Pie. See, guys? Oh my God! This is all my favorite. I like the quality now. Maybe the Shein thinking me that I'm not ordered there for so long. That's why si Chiki for my order good properly. See, this is the shirt for your Cutie Pie. I think actually, guys, this is 3 pieces. This is only he using for the home. Yeah, see? Hala, Cutie Pie, look at the shirt. I think this is a nice quality, Cutie Pie. Guys, this is for the Starway. After, guys, when I finish putting this on, ipapakita ko sa inyo lahat, guys. Yes. Kaya I'm so excited na talaga. Yeah! Oh my God! See? This is a blazer actually. O, diba? Ang cute. So, change style muna tayo ngayon, guys. Hindi muna tayo magpa-cleavage. Ano? Bawal muna ang mga cleavage ni Diane Story. See this, guys? See? Ang cute. So much cute. Yeah. Yeah, this is for the quartet. don't know if I buy that. Yeah, I buy two. Baby. I'm like, oh my God. So cute. This one all. Guys, ilalagay ko to mamaya sa ano namin. See? Mga ganito. Parang garland. Yeah. Papakita ko sa inyo guys doon sa ano namin. Sa stairway. Yeah. And ito pa. Hala. I think this is small. In the video is small. This is big. Oh. This is for the door guys actually. After this one, see? Ito guys, ang wala talaga lahat dito. And this is for the table. Yeah, this is for the table, I think. Wait, huh? Yan guys. Ilagay to dito sa center ng table. See? Merry Christmas! Yay! Pasko na kay Dayan Stada! And this one guys in the down. And that's it for this video guys. After this one, ipapakita ko sa inyo ang bahay namin after malagay ko to lahat. Guys, it's all done. Look at it. It's all done guys na na-order ko sa Shein. Pero marami pang kulang. Mag-order pa ako ulit. Aww. See? It's all like this. So, ito yung na-order ko sa Shein, guys, na in-unboxing ko. So, ito yung labas. So, ito yung hindi natapos. Kaya tinapos ko na. Paskong Pasko na sa bahay ni Dayan Studio. Merry Christmas, everyone! Namamas ko po.